Well, we have been monitoring Pepito all night. Unfortunately, I'm sorry and saddened to report that meron tayong casualty na isa sa Cam Norte. And you know my feelings about that is that one casualty is one casualty too many. So that is unfortunate. However, I still would like to congratulate dahil kailangan pasalamatan natin lahat ng mga first responder, yung mga LGU, lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho na pang-anim na nila. Ito, I'm sure that they are exhausted. I am sure that they have they continue to do and work with as hard as they can. Kaya tayo po ay nagpapasalamat sa kanila. At sa taong bayan din. At sila ay tumutulong at hanggat kaya